everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make laminated character bento box. You can easily make your favorite character bento box by using laminating sheet. This one requires no machine. I found it at Daiso 100-yen shop. My kids were really excited. I made Kimetsu no Yaiba but they didn't like it, so I switched to Precure and the Kamen Rider. It's very easy to change the characters. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful and I hope you can try it out.
Laminating sheets come in different sizes. If you want to make only one pic, you can use business card size. But for a better value for the price, get larger sheets and make many pics at one time. Print out and cut the characters you like. Laminate the characters. Then cut out into pic shapes. For bento decoration, I'm going to use kamaboko fish cake. I bought Hiragana food cutters. They are awesome. It saves time and it is perfect for kids learning Hiragana. You can also cut out nori sheets. I'm gonna try it next time. Kanikama imitation crab meat. Tamagoyaki Japanese egg rolls. I bought Hiragana bento cups at 100-yen shop. It's fun for kids learning Hiragana. Make bite-sized rice balls and put into the cups. Arrange bento cups in a bento box. Then place the side dishes. I found this Yaki-Fu. They make the bento really cute. I made this bento for my kids' birthdays. Clean the pics with wipes. Place them in the bento boxes. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
So そんな急いで食べんの？うん、幼稚園で。
だって長い服ですよちょっと。 他の子が喋って遅くなる。ママ、
なんて書いてあ
エ
るの？
ロプレパー。カメ。
カメ、そう、カメさんだね。すごいね、ひじき乗せてる、ご飯の上に。
美味しそう。
美味しそうだね。
トレビいただきます。
え、すごい、一口？すごっみんな一口だったの、それ。
そう。
そりゃすごいわ。
嫌いなものも全部食べます。
なんで嫌いなものが入ってんの？入ってないでしょ。
チャンネル登録お願いします。ゲットボタン押してね。バイバーイ。